Hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good. Everything is going fine on your side. And like always, like most of the Fridays are used to, so we are ready with a new battle. And of course, I'm sure that you guys are also excited. So today I have very like one of my dearest friend. He's like elder brother to me. So I have Pervin along with me. So me and Pervin, we are going to have a battle today. So we will be using two different strategies, two different mindsets will be there. And in the meantime, of course, there is going to be a giveaway also. So when we will be using that these strategies, when we will be having that battle, so at the same time, you guys will be also getting one opportunity to grab some risk free trade. All you just need to participate in that one. Just try to calculate that who is going to make more profit and how much that could be. Whosoever will be making the best or the nearest calculation will be getting a $10 risk free trade. Whomsoever you are supporting, either me or Parveen, you can just select his name and select the amount and you can move ahead. I will be explaining that also, but before moving towards that, let me just do a welcome to Parveen. So Parveen, thank you so much for sparing time, buddy. Thank you so much.
Hi, Kunal. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for inviting me to this trading battle. I'm very excited. And I also would like to extend this welcome to all the traders, all the subscribers who has been waiting for this. And it has always been fun doing sessions with you. So I'm looking forward to it. Thank you so much, brother.
Thank you so much, buddy. Okay, so traders, we will not be wasting much time. We will kick off today's session. But before coming to that, let me just tell you one thing, that the comment section is already active. I have pasted the better link, the form link in the comment section. I have pasted it in the description also. So wherever you find it easily, you can grab it from there. Okay. All you just need to open the link, select any one name, put the amount, put your trader ID, make sure your trader ID is correct, because on that basis, we will be adding your risk free. Okay, so please make sure. And I can see that so many traders have already joined. So traders, whatever the doubts, questions you will be having regarding trading, please make sure mention in the comment section. So we will start that session. We will select our weapons and then we will start the battle. So Praveen, as you are the guest, so do the honor. You can select your first weapon set first, and then I will be moving to my.
Okay, so for today's battle, Kunal, I'll be going with one of the most famous strategy, and it's an advanced level strategy. And this is one of my favorite, one of my go-to strategies, if you can call it. And I'll be going with Kind Martin. So I've already applied Kind Martin on my screen, and I'm ready.
Okay, so if you can give a quick intro also about that, Praveen, so traders can also
Okay,
understand that what exactly
so
you are doing.
sure, why not, Kunal? So basically, kind Martin strategy, it works like it's created using one indicator and one oscillator, basically, and it used parabolic as indicator, which tells when the trend is moving, when the trend is changing, and then it uses MACD for the, you can call it for second confirmation, moving average, convergence, and divergence. In short, I'll tell you, whenever the parabolic is above the candle, it's a signal for downtrend. At the same time, if we see MACD below the zero line, then it's a confirmation for downtrend. So whenever I find this, I will take a downtrend. And whenever the parabolic is below the candle, it's a signal for uptrend. At the same time, MACD also confirms when this, you can see the red area above the zero line, it confirms uptrend. So whenever I see this combination, I will take an uptrend. So in short, this strategy gives best of its result in 3 to 5 minute duration. And today, if the trader, they will notice, they will find a trick how and where this strategy works. So this is a puzzle for trader also. The way I'm going to trade, they will get to know where they need to trade, how much amount they should put. Because as you see, Kunal, I'll explain this strategy. It doesn't give result all the time, so you need to find out where it gives result. And today,
True.
through our trading, I want to tell them there are certain ways to locate those entry points, and we'll do that today. Thank you, Kunal.
Praveen, this is one of the best thing when, like, I have observed you also while trading. So this is the one of the best thing. Like when you are taking some trades, this is always very excited to see. Like sometimes you are trading with very small amount, but suddenly you just jump up the amount, and suddenly most of the time that trade is positive.
Yes.
And this
So
is something
usually,
which. Mm-hmm.
Yes. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Sorry for
Yeah, so
interrupting.
like that was one of the major reason to invite you on today's battle, because that is something which I want to share with my viewers also.
Yeah. So I'll explain that when we were trading, if I see a good entry point, see sometimes even in my personal meetings, I tell the trader, see, I'm going to take this big trade. I'm going to take this trade for 5,000 rupees, and I'll tell you what, I have bigger chances of winning this trade compared to my 70 rupees trade, and I win those trades. And the trader is like, sir, how you do it? Then I like, this is what you get when you practice.
Yeah, exactly. So traders, we are just about to start the trading battle. I'm also going to select my weapon set, but before coming to that, just a couple of important points which you need to focus on. So the first one is, it's a financial market. There is a possibility of a partial or fully capital loss. So please make sure before investing, before start making some trades on live account, please make sure you invest some time also. Please invest some time in learning, because I always used to say that it's not always about investing money, it's also about investing time. This is the first thing. Second thing, all the trades either Perveen or me we are going to take, so we will be the responsible one for our own trade results. Everything is going to be depending on our skill set. Third thing, all the strategies, these are just some technical tools which are based on some mathematical calculations. So there are no such technicals those who are going to promise you 100% accuracy. So mind that thing also. And the last thing, even though this session is active, this session is live, but still there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which we will be opening right away, that will be visible to you after a couple of seconds. And just to observe it, like what is the time difference, you can do one thing, just observe the chart on the live platform and on the YouTube, so you will be able to correlate. So the reason why I'm telling you, please avoid doing a copy trade, because that can lead to some negative results. And as Praveen selected kind Martin, so I will be using another strategy, of course. So what I have selected, so I have selected one basic strategy that is from the starter level. Now, because sometimes traders are having one mindset that the expert strategy is making more profit, starter is not something like that which is going to be that lucrative. So I just want to break that stereotype. So I am picking sliding on averages. All we are going to use simple moving average in that one. And traders, one more thing, whatever the technicals which we are using, in case if any one of that is logged for you, don't buy the strategy. These can be applied manually also, so don't buy them. And along with that, I'll try to make this strategy a bit more customized, so I will add stochastic along with that. And there are no such rules that we can't add. So of course I will be, trying to use max to max weapons, so that at least I can compete with him, even though I know that he's too good in that. So he's gonna crush me today. But still I'll try my
Uh, see, now you have, pushed me somewhere. Now if I lose, lose.
best. Yeah.
Okay.
So let me just apply my strategy, and then I will be explaining. So Praveen, you can start your taking trades also, so that
Okay.
viewers can
So,
have a look, and I will be applying my strategy in the back end.
okay.
And traders, any question, any
So,
doubt, feel free to write in the comment section. We will be taking care of that one. No worries. Okay.
so I'll be taking trade, as I said, wherever I see signal and wherever I feel like, okay, this is a good entry point, only then I'll be increasing my amount. So,
And Praveen, one last thing. So the
yes.
maximum trade amount you can use $20 only, and
Okay.
we have the ability, or we have the freedom to use two RFTs, not more than that.
Yes, sure. Thank you. Thank you so much for telling the rule.
Okay, and
So,
my traders viewers, my trading balance is $13,315. And Praveen, can you share your balance
uh,
also,
uh,
so that
yeah,
that will be more easy?
my balance before starting the trade was $10,120.05.
Okay, so traders, please make sure you note down that value, so that that will be more easy for you. All you just need to help us with that, who is going to make how much profit. So all you just need to give us a quick calculation. For to submit that calculation, you can just do one thing, just fill that form, the link which I have already shared and I have pinned in the comment section. I have attached it in the description section also, so you can pick it from there as well. So whichever is suitable for you, pick that one, and then we can move ahead. Let me just check, let me have a look that if no, so far we haven't received any entry, so no worries, no worries, we will wait for that. Okay, so let me share the link again. Okay, okay, so traders, I have shared it again, and I have pinned that comment also. So wherever like that is handy to you, just pick that from there, and so that we can, you can participate in that one. Okay, so till you are trying to grab some opportunities, let traders, let me explain my strategy also. So in this one, I am just picking the simple moving averages with two different frequencies. Let me show you my skill set, weapon set also. So in this one, sliding on averages is something which I have applied. Along with that, I have applied stochastic. So if I talk about sliding on averages, that is very easy to understand. So we will be focusing on the lower frequency. Whenever the lower frequency will be intersecting the higher one, that could be the direction of the market. If it is in the upward direction, market upward, downward direction, market can move into the downward. Suggested time frame by default is 5 minute chart time frame, and 2 to 3 candle trade time frame is there. But if once you have a hold on that strategy, you can use it for 1 minute chart time frame and 2 to 3 candle trade. At the same time, why I have applied the stochastic also. So whenever I will be finding some opportunities, when I am getting one confirmation from these SMAs that the market can move in a certain direction, but I will be observing that the market is either in the oversold zone or in the overbought zone, I will just try to take some additional precaution. You can use it as it is also, or you can try to make it customized. Okay, so I have taken first trade. My first trade was positive, and I am going to grab some more opportunities. I will be looking forward for more assets. The set of rule is going to be remain same. So, see, this is something which I was trying to explain. So when the market will be in the overbought zone or in the oversold zone, I'll try to take some precautions at that time. I'll not be taking some trades, and we will keep on shuffling our cards. We will keep on changing our assets. Wherever we will be finding any opportunity, we will be taking the trade. But with you traders, there are no such compulsions. So take one trade, wait for the result, and then execute the next trade. Because either you are supposed to use your risk management or money management, like whether you want to increase your amount, whether you want to decrease your amount, you can decide it only after executing the trade. What do you think about this, Pervin? Like, do you believe that risk management, money management plays a vital role behind a successful trader?
Uh, See, without proper idea and knowledge of risk management and money management, I tell my trader no amount of wealth is enough for losing. You get my point? Like I
True.
can bring you the world's wealth and you will lose it in another 55 minutes or 30 minutes, I can say. So money management knowledge is very, very crucial. As you like, in some of the personal session, I have seen many analyst of ours, they explain our traders like trading is not just about money management or it is not just about trading knowledge. It is a mixture of two, three things, and all should be, it should be not. We cannot achieve 100% perfection, but we need to get 80% right. So, you see, Kunal, my trading style is quite different because I don't wait for the trade and watch the result will be right or wrong. Because before taking the trade itself, I have a good idea whether I'll be winning this trade or not, and based on that, I put my amount. Okay, after taking the trade, I don't understand. Like after shooting an arrow, can you change the direction? You
Of
cannot
course
change
not.
it. So
Of course.
before taking the trade, you should be very, very careful. Look, okay, what is why I'm taking this trade? Okay, first question you should ask is why I'm taking this trade, why I'm putting this much money in this particular trade. If the answer is I don't know, maybe, then it is better you go with $1 trade or you don't take trade at all. Go for a trade where you are little bit sure something. Okay. So now if you notice, can okay, so we can continue this battle, right? If you notice, I'm taking trades after trades after trades. Okay. And this is how I do it. So if you're sharing my screen, let me show you. So here I can see the signal is good, but it is very late entry for me. And I never know what is going to. So there are so many doubts here. Signal is of course there. So what I'm going to do, I will take a $1 down trade. Why? Because my technical analytic tool said it's a down trade. Now I'm moving to other assets. So if you note, okay, so this is a very good entry point, but again, I am late to this. So I am not taking any risk and I'm taking $1 of trade. But I'll tell you, Kunal, if you see the second candle comes little bit down at this point where my arrow is, right? I will take a
Mhm.
$20 trade. I will take a $20 trade in an upward direction. Why? Because my parabolic and my MACD, they both says like the market is going up trend, and I am very much near to the support level. You see, these are the small point that you should look out for, you should watch out for when you are taking trades. You cannot just say like, okay, sir, most of the traders, where they go, misunderstanding lies is we explain how the strategy works and they misunderstand it for where the strategy works. They want to take a trade and
Exactly.
they want to say like, no, the analyst has said you will get positive result. So why I'm not getting? And they will just take five trades and again go back to 5 second, 30 second, and so on. So this is very, very important that you need to learn to find out where the strategy works. So as I said, if this candle comes little down, I'll be taking a big trade. But I cannot waste because maybe there is some good signal waiting for me in some other asset. So today, for every trader, this is one more lesson. It is a very good habit to have as a trader to keep on changing asset. Never
Exactly.
continuously trade on single asset. I think Kunal will
Exactly.
agree with me on this.
Completely agree with that one. This is something which I am always used to tell my traders, my viewers also, that do not stay stuck to one specific asset. Multiple reasons are there. Like first one, your mind will start making assumption. There might be some
Yes.
data which is floated into the market, and that is affecting your specific asset. There could be one more reason also, that you are keep on trading on one specific asset. You are too comfortable with that one, but one day the profitability on that specific asset is too low. So of course you can't trade on that.
The worst of all this problem is the assumption.
Exactly.
Because because the assumption, no, it blinds your eye towards analysis. Like, I used to do that, Kunal. I'll tell you one of my story.
Hmm.
I was trading, like, I got this idea, why not following just Asia Composite? And if I'm following it, then I will know what will happen because I'm also part of the market, no, because I'm also taking trades in that. you know And
True.
based on that assumption, I started whenever I'm taking up, it is going down. When I'm taking down, and out of one, two guesses, one is like one gets right, and you're like, no, okay. But then I realized how sure I was of this guess, which was right. I'm like at 0%. Then on what basis I'm taking this trade? It's like I should thank God for giving me at least one successful trade, but still I end up with loss. Okay,
Mm,
so it is always a good idea to continuously keep on changing asset because you might find a better signal on the next asset and
possible.
you have wasted your time waiting for one good signal.
Possible. True. Yeah. So traders, these are the things like which I want you to focus also. Trading is not always about investing the money. It's always about investing the money at a correct time.
Very good. Yes.
Sometime you might be facing some losses. That is completely fine. Accept it and try to move ahead. This is something which you need to focus on. I have tried to take a couple of trades, so a few trades were positive. This is the first negative trade I have faced so far. So I have taken so far one, two, three, four trades, and three were positive, one was a negative. So this is my score so far. I will be sharing Praveen's score also, but before coming to that, let me take a couple of comments also, because so many traders, they have shared their wishes, they have shared their concerns also in the comment section. So let me have a look on that. So Abhinavji is there. Abhinav, same here. Very good evening. Nice to meet you too. Okay, so Heather is saying, please don't start a trading. They fuck my life. They are bad people trading. They are change in my big trouble. Heatherji, I'm sad to see that if you are facing some difficulties with the platform. But just share your experience. Like, what is the difficulty you are facing? Like whether you are not able to make profit, whether you are doing some over trading or something like that, so that we can help you. Sir, what is the meaning of presenter's profit amount? Does it mean how much the selected person will make in whole session? Yeah. So how much we are going to make, that could be the you are supposed to make that selection, that calculation, that I will be making 150 or Praveen will be making 200 or 300 during this conversation, during this session, and the entries will be accepted hardly next for 10 to 15 minutes. So this is the maximum. So make sure you use it wisely and make some entries, whichever trader you want to support, you want to, you know, what like you want to share. So just select their name, select the amount, like put the amount, but make sure you put the correct trader ID also, because at the end of the day, when we will be selecting one winner, so they will be getting the RFT of $10, so we will be able to add it to the correct account. Okay, so let me take a few more comments. So hello to everyone. Hello, Yogesh, Ashraf ji, hello. Okay, sir, I have a request, please use Millennium. Abhinav, I am so sorry, I have already selected my weapon, but no worries, I'll try to change it, no worries. And Usman ji, I'm so sorry, today's conversation is just basically to serve the English speaking community. So in case if you are comfortable with Urdu or Hindi, you can connect on Tuesdays and Thursdays, same channel, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Because on this channel, we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages, whichever you are comfortable with. Make sure you join as per that. And in the meantime, you can also explore the playlist part. So you will be getting all the required playlists. And traders, again requesting you, please make sure before winding up today's conversation, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So whenever we will be coming live again, you will be able to connect with it. Okay, I'm so sorry, sir. I wish I could help you, but we are not allowed to fund any account. Can anybody show Peace in World G? I'm so sorry, I will not be able to share those details because a couple of personal information might be there. Withdrawal is not processing after 3 days. Sir, the standard time frame of withdrawal is 24 hours to 5 working days. Just stay calm. Relevant department will work on that one and they will get it done. Okay, so there is one more comment. It's not a fake, it's a technical issue only. Yeah, that could be the reason, sir. So just wait for some time. Once relevant department will work on that, your amount will be there. Mary Hussain ji, hello. Hello traders, hello. पैसे कैसे डाले वो बताओ ना. Mari ji, all you just need to go to the deposit section, deposit button, and then select the payment method, whichever you want to, and then just keep pressing on next. You will be able to understand that how exactly it works. Ashraf ji, I'm so sorry, but today the conversation will be only in English. When will I get my deposit? Ratnesh ji, if any of your deposit is stuck, I request you just connect with the support team. Diamond Crypto, if you want to learn about risk management, the easiest way I just want to share with you that whenever you are going to execute any trade, make sure that if that trade will go negative, two things you need to be considered. First one, if that trade will go negative, will you be able to recover that amount? Second thing, will you be able to cover or like hold that or understand that pressure? If yes, you can take that trade. If no, then switch it. At the same time, like this is one of the conversation which Pervin, I have taken from your conversation also. So Pervin is used to give one example that when you are making a deposit of $100, you are not getting only $100. You are getting 100 opportunities to make profit.
Yeah.
So in case if you think that if you will take 10 trade with the $10 each, then you will be losing 90 opportunities without even able to grab that. So this is something which you can try to follow while using your risk management. Okay, already 12 days. Ratnesh I'm so sorry. Just connect with the support team, support-en@olymptrade.com. They are the one, they will be helping you with that. So for today's starting capital, Kunal sir, yeah, 13,315 and Perveen 10,120. Exactly. So Abhinav, all you just need to calculate that with how much profit I will be closing my day, or Praveen will be closing this session. Like either you can make the total amount, or you can just make that I will be making 150 profit or 120 profit during this 1 hour. So whichever is easy for you. Okay, let me see again. Sir, can I actually recover my loss? See, sir, you can recover your loss, but it's not like that you will be able to recover it in a single day. You have to spend some time, set a, You need to set up a goal that how much you are going to make in a one day, and then it's not only about take profit. You should be having a stop loss also, that how much you are going to make in a day, how much you are going to lose in a day, and then start moving in that direction. Okay, sir, as you both are changing trading amounts, so how can we predict? So Abhinav, Praveen is having his different mindset. I am using the same amount, $20, throughout my trading journey to today's session, but Praveen is having a different mindset, different way to trade. That he's used to trade with the minimum amount when he's not sure about the signal, but he's very when he's sure about the signal, then he will be taking the maximum, which is $20 for the day. So all you just can make a quick calculation, that a quick analysis, that what do you think that how much he can make, how much I can make. So that's how you can make. Okay, support guy saying it's taking 30 days for deposit to credit. Very Ratnesh, I'm not sure like what exactly is the reason, but until and unless I'll not be able to check that case, I'll not be able to give you exact information. But so far, we guys are from VIP department, so the major hold we have, that is only on trading. So you can ask about the trading part. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm losing too much. Dilshad, share the reason. Share me the reason that whether you are not able to grab a hold on any technical, or you are struggling with the risk management, money management, and over trading. And one last comment: I want to learn trading. Can I learn to the on the above channel? Of course, sir. Every now and then we are conducting sessions on this channel in different languages, where we are talking about different technical tools, strategies, market news, market updates, fundamental, everything. So just subscribe the channel, be part of the family, try to explore as much as technical tools you can, and then try to use them on your demo. Once you are comfortable with any one of them, then try to shift it to the live account. But start with the minimum amount. This is the best advice which I can give you. Start with the minimum. I know that with a small amount you will be making a small profit also. Of course, that is understood. But when you will be making some losses, that those losses will be also small. So these are the things I believe that you should focus on. So we have talked so much. So Praveen, what's your score? How much profit you have made so far?
Right now my trades are going on, so now I am about 10,061. My trades are still going.
Hmm.
So when we are going to close it? So like still my trades are live, and I am looking for one entry point. I can hit that one. So maybe now, okay. So I'll tell you what is the idea behind this minimum amount trade. See, the first thing is, let's say if you have $100, and many traders they go with martingale. Martingale is for those traders whose technical analysis is strong. First thing you do this, okay? There is no logic, no logic. Like if I ask the trader, do you get any kind of guarantee by doubling or tripling the trading amount? They said no. Then on what basis you are taking the risk? I think no idea, sir. So
Exactly.
when there is no idea of what you are doing, why you are wasting money? So what will happen when you trade with minimum amount? Forget about winning and losing, because right now you're in learning part. Okay, what you can learn with 100 trades? Just imagine that you choose to destroy with 4 trades. In 4 trades, you neither learn anything, you neither earn anything. But with 100 trades, no matter if you earn or not, but you will learn something. This learning is going to help you with another, like, let's say you start again, you put $100 deposit. Now you have 100 trades experience. And this experience, this observance, this is what is going to make you a good trader. Okay.
True.
And why $1? Because one is the minimum. Even a crorepati has to take trade with $1. And even a person who is having little amount, he can also do it with $1, because this is the possibility. Okay.
True.
So that is my whole idea behind this $1 trade. I encourage the trader. Like, at least you learn something. Like, recently I gave this example, like, sir, no matter whatever it is, but this Pakistani captain, Mohammad Rizwan, cricket captain, he said, we don't lose. We either learn or something, we win or we learn something. He said like that. So otherwise, he said a very good thing, we either win or learn. We never lose.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
And the thing is, if you don't know driving, okay, if you don't know driving, what is the point in keep on changing cars? Like, does costly car buying costly car will avoid accident? Huh? Some traders,
Exactly.
they are like, sir, I'll change the strategy. Oh, yeah, sir, I'll change the platform. I'm like, sir, you don't know trading. No matter whichever platform you go, you will do the same mistake. At least in Olymptrade, there are concerned analysts, they are very much, like, they want better to make profit. And you won't get this in every other platform. Okay. So you get that in Olymptrade. So this is what I think. So why $1 trade? So if you notice, like if I'll open my trade, see if you see, mostly $1 trade, you'll notice. Okay. Very rarely, you see, very rarely I go with big amount trade, and this is what happens. And all my trades are in 3 minutes. If you notice, all my trades are in 3 minutes. Okay.
Exactly. See, traders, this is something which we always used to tell you, that changing a technical tool, that is not going to create a difference. Like it's like that you are in a battleground and you are keep on changing your weapon with that hope that
I,
you will
I,
be able to win it.
I'll give one example. So I asked one trader of myself, okay, sir, tell me one thing. Let's say you come and work under me, and first day I teach you plumbing. Second day I teach you something related to electricity. Third day I teach you driving. Fourth day I teach you something, and like this I kept on changing your job for 6 months. After 6 months, I ask you, what are you good at? Please tell me what you will say.
Nothing.
I am good at confusion, sir. You'll say.
That is thing. That is the thing. Now see,
See,
this is
this
this
is
is
what.
something. Yeah, please
Yeah.
go ahead.
Yeah. So this is the problem with most of the traders. What they'll do, analyst will say, "Sir, this strategy gives best result in 3 to 5 minutes." So whatever traders are doing, they will take 5 trades in 3 minutes. They will take 5 trades in 4 minutes. They will take 5 trades in 5 minutes. If the market is highly volatile, they fail everywhere, and then they said this strategy is not working. Goodbye.
It's a very quite common, like I have seen, like Parveen, let me share my experience also. So
Yeah.
I was talking to a couple of traders. So it's a very quite common, which most of the traders used to say, that whenever I am sharing some strategy, and in the next conversation, whenever I am asking them, sir, how was the strategy, last strategy worked? So they were saying that no, sir, that strategy was not good at all. So I didn't like that strategy. Share me the new one. So then I am asking that, sir, how many trades you have opened? And Praveen, what exactly they are saying? Sir, I
Mm,
opened 10 trades, 15 trades,
that's all.
7 trades. And then I'm shocked to see that with 7 trades or with max to max 15 trades, you were able to conclude that whether that strategy was not useful.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. This is why
Yeah.
the problem.
See, traders, you
Yeah.
need to open, like I believe I am always used to say that traders at least open 100 trades and then try to find some patterns.
Wow, you are
Because
good. I say minimum 2000. Minimum 2000, I say.
no, see, like I was also used to tell them that, sir, open that many trades. But what exactly happened that when I'm telling them, sir, like you need to open 500 plus trades, then they said that, no, sir, we don't have that much time. So what exactly I'm telling them, sir, that open at least 100 trades. And then
Mm-hmm.
you will be able to find that, like, there is a possibility that you will find that 40 trades were like that when you faced direct negative loss.
Mm. Mm.
30 trades will be like that where 50% will be profit, 50% will be loss.
Mm-hmm.
Then 30 trades will be like that pattern that will work in that way, that every time you made a profit. So what exactly you need to do now, if we'll categorize in A category 40 trade negative, B category 30 trade 50-50, C category 30 trade all positive. So avoid taking trades in A category, take minimum investment, take minimum risk in the B category, and if you want to increase the amount, then take in C. So by doing that one, what exactly you will be doing? You will be removing all the negative trades. Then when you will be investing minimum amount on 50-50 ratio, two conditions will be there: profit, loss. If loss is there, that it's a very bare minimum loss. If profit is there, you will be able to understand that, okay, this is the next pattern which I need to focus. Second thing, you will be getting a confidence. So there is a possibility that previously, like if I'll follow the same pattern which you are following, that if I am using $1 trade behind every signal, so initially if I got the opportunity to open a trade with $2 or $5 after 5 trades, then there is a possibility that after doing some more practice, I might be getting that opportunity after second or third trade also. And then slowly and gradually you will start making profit. And this is something, traders, which you need to focus on. When you are losing, lose minimum. When you are making profit, make maximum out of it. But
That's
what
it.
exactly traders are doing? When they are losing, they are keep on investing, they are keep on increasing their capital. When they are making profit, sometimes they increase it, but sometimes they decrease it. So you need to focus on. Praveen, let me take a couple of more comments also, then we will
Yeah,
move back to the battle
yeah,
side. Okay, so
yeah.
sir, as you both are saying, okay, support guys saying, let me take which comment was this app, but I don't know how to use it. See, Dilshad ji, very warm welcome to the platform, very warm welcome to the channel also. So if you are new to the channel, new to the platform, make sure you learn about it, how exactly it works. Just subscribe the channel, because we have conducted n number of sessions in the past also, and we are going to conduct in the future also. So you just go to the content part, go to the playlist part, whichever language you are comfortable, because we are conducting sessions in Hindi, English, Portuguese, Thai, Arabic, like n number of languages. Whichever you are comfortable with, explore that one and then start using, learn about it. I'm always used to say, keep learning, keep earning. Why I'm always focusing on learning part first? Because that is the basic thing which you have to. I'm sad to see if you're making losses on the platform, but learn about that one, how exactly it works, then start making some investment. I want to learn trading. Can I learn on the above channel? Of course, sir, you can. Form filled. Let's see your trading skills. Best of luck, both of you. Thank you so much. So, Praveen, Abhinav is
Thank you,
there.
thank you, thank you.
He's cheering both of us.
Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
so far,
No. Swanji, I request you, please do not try to do copy trading, because there is a telecast gap which lies between 25 second, 30 second to 1 minute. So that can delay your position, and that can lead to some negative result. Okay, this is scam. Okay, Brian is saying that this is scam. Brian, I wish I'm so sorry to know about that. Like if you are feeling in that way, but share your experience. What that? Why exactly you feel like that? Because
I
let me
I have some experience with this scam. Kunal, let me see if I'm right or wrong. Okay, so
please, 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 please.
whoever said okay. So the the whole idea when our traders are going for a big trade is when they win continuously two trades, let's say for $2, and they win three trade, they have now they think like we are in profit. So next trade I can put a big amount and I can get more profit. Okay, and that is why they put a big amount in the fourth trade.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Second thing is the second part of the second face of this coin is either when they lose, they go martingale and then they put keep on doubling and doubling. They put big amount. Okay, these are the two situations where they put big amount. When the make loss is there, they feel everything is manipulated. Okay. Now what I say is you should put big amount only when you have a minimum of 80% surety that in the past I have taken this trade and I have won out of 100 times I have won 80 times. So this is a good entry point and that is why I'm taking a big trade. If that is not the reason, then you are taking a guess. Obviously you are taking a risk. And then
Exactly.
when they face with, a negative trade, all the problems that like we are manipulating and we are doing this and that. But you start and whoever this trader is, I'm sure because this is my observation and this is my experience. I'm saying most of the trader who take trades in the duration of 5 second, 15 second, 1 minute trade, no, they have this complaint.
True.
I am telling you, start using strategies as they are supposed to, and you will see the result. So
Agree.
if you notice, Kunal, my $1 trades are getting unsuccessful. Okay. Now, I am not going with $2 in the next trade because that signal also I was having the same doubt. Okay. I
Hmm.
am taking $20 trade only when I'm sure.
But
And why
this
I'm
is
sure?
something.
Because based on my practice. Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And traders, see, this is something I want to showcase also, that majority of time, like traders are saying that Sir, when I'm investing less, I am making profit. When I'm investing more, I am making loss. Then what is the reason why Perveen is making profit with the higher amount and he's making loss with the lower amount? See,
That's all. That's
that
my
is
question.
something. Yeah, see, this
See,
is something which
this
this
is
is
a
the example I
Kunal.
want to
This
share.
is a Kunal. This is a good entry point. Okay, this is a good entry point. Chances of my success here is 80%. Still, I'm saying 20%. I can also get failed. But what I'm saying is, next time also, when I get this kind of entry point, I am ready to take the risk because out of 100 times, 80 times I have won. You get my point? Still, I'm saying that 20% of the time it also can go wrong. But that is the risk you are taking in trading, right? Nobody can be
Exactly.
100% right.
Exactly.
So it's all about like observe the pattern, read the pattern, be like like you should be. There is some one word, man. I'm not getting it. Consistent. Yeah, you should be consistent with your strategy. Never doubt your process.
True.
Simple. So this is a good entry point. Okay. Now again, let me check what is the okay. So this is a good entry point. So you never know, but I'm sure up to 80% that I it will get success. Now I don't want to waste my time there. I will just go to another trade and I will take a down trade here because the signal says it is going for a downward direction. Because me standing there and the some traders they close the trade before even before it ends. Why you were doing that when you were sure? Why? That is what I said. Once you shoot an arrow, you cannot change its direction. So don't waste. Maybe in other trade, some good signal is waiting for you. Right?
True. True.
Simple.
True.
I
And
hope
traders,
like yeah.
yeah, please, 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 please.
No, I hope traders are understanding what I'm trying to convey to them. I hope.
I'm sure they are grabbing that and they are enjoying that information also. And traders, see, this is something which you should focus also. Try to use your capital in such a way that you are able to use it for as long as possible. Try to maximize your opportunities, like the possibilities to grab those opportunities, so that you will be able to make more and more profit. Because again, I'm repeating the same thing, that you will be able to make profit only when you have capital. Like it's there is a very easy and the basic rule of trading says that you can make capital if you have capital, and having capital in your trading account, that doesn't mean at all that you will keep on making deposits again and again. That always means that whatever the deposit you have made, you will try to make maximum out of it. And this is something which you should focus on. And second thing, like if I'll talk about the success rate also, because like sometimes there are some traders those who are having that mindset that the more success rate they will be having, the more profit they will be making. Let me share one example, that just for an example, that if there is one trader who took four trade back to back, $10 each, all trades were positive, and then he increased his trade amount to $50, then that fifth trade went negative. So what exactly his P&L look like? Four trade, $10 each, $36 profit, minus 50, so his P&L is minus 14. If I talk about the success rate, four trades positive out of five, so it's 80%. Second trader, what exactly he did? So we are focusing to improve our profit. So what exactly he did? He took two more trades, each trade with $15, 1 5. After four positive trades of $10, he took two trades for $15 each. Both trade went negative. His P&L is saying he made a profit of 36, he made a loss of 30, so his P&L is plus 6. At the same time, if I'll check his success rate, four trades positive out of 6, so his success rate is 66.66. So what exactly I'm trying to convey is that success rate, of course, that matters, but that is not going to matter that much. Your money management and risk management is something which is going to matter a lot. So this is something which you have always need to focus. Let me show a couple of trades. I made a few losses back to back because I made some profit also after that and negative result, but after that four back to back trades were negative and I made a loss of almost $80. And again, I am on the same amount, from almost at the same amount from where I have started. I am going to try to grab that, and I'm going to try to make some more profits. But let me check with Praveen. So Praveen, how much profit you have made so far? Like, what's your
No,
balance?
I am like in 10,016. So I'm like not that much profit, but yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Let's see what
It's
happens.
similar with me also. Like, I made a huge profit, like almost $80, and
Uh,
then back to back
Same
four
thing.
negative trades.
I got profit, but like I'm like not. The problem is if you see most of the signals, no, if you can see either we are in the end of the trend or we are in the middle of the trend, and
Mhm.
those entry point it doesn't guarantee. So it doesn't give us that confidence like what can happen. Okay,
True, true,
so
true. And
I'm very very happy with this. Like okay, my result is not like if you see, I'm not that big of a loss.
true.
Okay,
And see,
I'm
traders,
still
like, yeah, please,
yeah,
please, please, please.
like I'm still like no, I can make it. One, two, three, and the thing is, there is a what you can say. There's a limitation that we can use only $20.
that is
You
that is
know,
the reason that I have put these limitation. I know that when you are sure that you are going to invest 100 or
yeah,
200.
I put direct $500,000 one trade, and that's all good to go. So this limitation is like, oh, this trade was so good. Why I'm bound to take 20 only? So this is what. So, anyways, it's a very good competition. I really love it. And let's hope I get one, two, three good signals, and maybe I can change my fortune.
When I was planning to invite you for this trading battle, so I
Mm.
made this set of rule prior to that before Parveen will start, I will tell him that 20 is the maximum. You are not going to invest too much.
Okay, so to all the trainers who are watching us, I already shared my secret with them. That see, Kunal, this is how I trade. I do not, use. I martingale is something that is like no. Let's say if I have a balance of 10,000. And only when I reach like the 2,000, 3,000 balance, no, only then I will try to do that. Okay, because my technique is that good sometimes. Other than that, I never compromise with my process. So I told
Same.
him, see, like it's not about winning or losing. It is about what you know and what you don't know. So if
Exactly.
I know that I'm going to win this, I am taking a trade. Like it's like, see, it's very simple. Okay, everybody is running a different race. Everybody needs money for a different commitment. Okay, we are not having the same issue. Everybody is having a different issue. Okay, so my issues can have more urgency than yours, but that doesn't mean I can behave in a erratic way. Okay, I have to be in control. I should do, like I gave one example to one trader. See, it's not the sword's fault, it's the swordsman's fault. Okay, and if you don't know how to use sword, you will definitely cut yourself. But if you're a swordsman and if I give a sword, you will be invincible with it. Okay,
Exactly.
so it doesn't matter what is my like. People say, sir, I have this commitment, that commitment. Market is not good. What you are going to do? Already you have a situation A, and by compromising with your process, you are going to create a situation B for yourself, where you will be like go into more depression. Okay, so never run in a race. Others race. Run your own race. That is all I want to say.
Exactly, exactly. Because see, sometime I have seen that like what exactly is used to happen, that the traders are moving here and there to grab some knowledge on some technicals, and what exactly they are doing, they have one technical with which they are good at, but they
Yes.
find that somebody is using a different technical and he's making more profit, then they just switch to that one. I'm not
Yeah.
saying that don't learn about different technicals, learn about that one, practice that also, try to explore them also, but do not feel that if somebody else is using something, then that is going to work in the same manner for you also. So you need to focus on that part also. And one more thing, traders, see, these battles, these are not like that whether Praveen is winning or I am the one who is winning to today's battle or the upcoming one or the previous one. We are always just trying to get these things, that so that you will be able to understand the mindset of different traders, that what exactly they are thinking, how exactly they are trading, how exactly they are investing, and how they are making profits, how they are improving their capital. You have observed that Praveen is also making losses, I am also making losses, but we are still stick to one set of rule. We are still consistent to that, because we know that if that didn't work for me today, that might work for me tomorrow, because that worked for me yesterday. So you have to stay consistent. I'm not saying that stay stick to one specific technical. You can switch, that is completely fine. But what exactly I'm talking about, that if you have a mindset that okay, I am going to invest that much, I am going to make that much, this is my a set of goal, and one day if everything is going fine, you are trying to increase it, accept it. But one day if you are making some losses, then that doesn't mean at all that you have touched your stop loss and then you are keep on trading and you are going to wipe out everything. So you
Now,
need to focus.
one
Hmm.
more thing I'll add to it, Kunal. This is a very good example you gave. See, understand this. If you are good with something and you are getting result with something every, like let's say, out of 6 days, you get 5 days, you get good result with that. If sixth day you are not getting, what has changed? Think about it. Your approach? No. Your tool? No. They are still there to help you. What has changed? Market has changed,
Exactly.
and that is why you are not getting results. So when you have that, understand that and stop trading. Take a break. But
Exactly.
what our trader, what they do? So it worked for 4 days, and fifth day it is not working. So I will go back to my, erratic trading or uncontrollable trading, or I don't know what you call, because I don't want anyone to get their sentiments hurt. There's a harsh word for that, and they say it over trading. Sir, we do over trading. What is over trading? What
So
is over trading, Kunal?
like as per me, like they made one profit, but they want to increase it. Like they deposit 100, they made it 200, now they want to make it 2000.
Hmm?
And when they make
Huh?
it 2000, now they want to make it 20,000.
Yes.
Like they don't have target.
Yes.
So
So
traders,
it's all about, that, as we said in the in the start of the session, trading is not just about trading knowledge, it is about mixture of everything in a perfect ratio. So this is one thing. So please learn that, and I think we answered most of their questions, Kunal. I think we
yeah,
answered,
it's
and
all.
I think I'll be taking mm, few more trades, and after that I'll wait till the trades are over, and then we'll see what happens. Okay. I
For
think
sure,
we
for sure.
have con.
Like we are about to close, like because the time is almost up. So let me just take a last couple of comments. So Palaji, Radhe Radhe, and Rahul, I'm sad to see, but see traders, whenever you are sharing your experience that you are facing negative results, like anything, make sure you mention the reason also along with that. Like what is the reason? Like whether you are not able to use some technicals, one specific technical is not working for you, so that that will be more easy for us to help you with your concern. Okay. And Parveen, see Parveen ji, one of your
Hmm.
trader Nokhelal ji is also one of our viewer
Uh-huh.
today. So so
Hi,
he's saying
Ankalanji, how are you?
so he's saying that Parveen sir is facing over trading.
Yeah, I'm not over trading, sir. See, $1 only.
See. Okay. So I believe that we are about to close today's conversation. So let me, you know, announce the winner for
Uh,
today. So the today's trader ID which won the risk-free trade is 112594 547. I'm repeating it again. It's 112594 547. And if that specific trader is still available in the comment section, is still available in the session, I request you please confirm me your name in the comment section so that I can congratulate you. I can also give you a shout out and I'll confirm again. So you will be getting a $10 risk free trade. I'll make sure that those that RFT will be added to your account as soon as possible. And before winding up today's conversation, again, traders, I just want to request you please make sure subscribe the channel, be part of the family. So whenever we will be coming live again, so at least you will be able to get in touch with you. And at the same time, whatever the technical you are going to pick, whether it's kind Martin, Pervin strategy, or whether that was sliding on averages along with stochastic, which can be considered as a customized, whichever the technical you are going to use, please make sure you use it on your demo account first. Try to grab a hold on that one and then take it to your live account. Abhinav, thank
yeah.
you so much for participating and many congratulations for that. And before winding up, Praveen, any last words you want to share with traders?
Yeah, so I hope most of the traders they notice. So if you see, my jump is like $1, $1. Then I carefully took three trades, 20, 20, 20, and two of those were successful and one was unsuccessful. Okay. So if anybody here who can say like, this was a fluke, please tell me, or this was an analysis. Okay. Jumping from 1 to 20, 20, and then again I lost 20, but I'm not trading for $40. I'm going back to one. Why? Because I know. Okay. So this jump from 1 to 5 to 10 or whatever big amount trade you are taking, sir, be very, very careful. Be very, very vigilant about your investment, because all your dreams of making money lies on this original investment of yours. And if you are not saving it, then all these dreams are like, you are making foundation on air, and you cannot build a building on that. So original investment is something you should treat it like you're a girlfriend or your wife or something which you have to save from all the misdeeds that you can do in trading.
This is the
Okay. I
perfect
think
example.
I thought this is best thing. Your original investment is very important for your future goals that you want to achieve in trading. So you need to be very careful. Don't see the other guy who is sitting next to you. He must be having thousands and thousands of crores, and he can take certain risks, but you cannot, because you have limited capital. So be very, very careful with that. And then yes, Kunal. So I think we have 10,039. So basically, I was 10,120. So I don't think I have made a like that big of a loss. So it's a one good trade away. And after this meeting, maybe I can take some $100, $200 trade and make it pay that. Not an issue.
I know
So
you are
what was
already very eager to take a trade with a higher amount. I know you.
You see, this is again one good entry point coming for an uptrade. But this market is sideways. I'm just giving you one read, okay? This market is sideways and the signal is also changed. So whenever you get this kind of situation, never compromise. Okay, this is not a signal anymore. So change the asset. Some trader, what they do, they think, okay, maybe in the next candle it will get rectified and everything will be all right, and they take a trade again. Assumption.
Assumption is
Never trade on
biggest
your
problem.
assumption.
True. Exactly. Exactly.
Okay. So yeah, so that is all. I don't know how much profit you make or what, but if you make profit, then I should congratulate you also.
No, 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 no. Like you are the guest one, so of course I will be congratulating you. I will be, like it doesn't matter. Like you are like my elder brother,
Yeah.
so either you won or me won. It's all same.
Yeah.
Yeah. So traders,
Thank you.
thank you so much. So we are running out of time, so we will not be able to give a bit more information. But that was great to have such an interactive session with along with traders and along with Perveen. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your comments, your doubts. Like you participate in that one. So thank you so much for everything. That was your host. That was your financial analyst, your friend Kunal Kapoor, along with Perveen. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Cheers. Bye, guys. Bye, Perveen. Thank you so much, buddy. Take care.
Bye. Bye, Kunal. Take care. Bye bye.
Cheers.